Yes. Students, now we start the question related to the bijective. A function is said to be bijective function if the function is 1 1 as well as onto. The question number first, a function f from R to R, real number to real number, is given by, defined by x cube plus x is this function is bijective function. Prove that this function is bijective. Bijective means 1 1 as well as the function is onto. If the function is 1 1 as well as onto, then the function is bijective. How we can prove that the function is 1 1? For 1 1, let f x1 equals to f x2 x1 cube plus x1 equals to x2 cube plus x2 x1 cube minus x2 cube plus x1 minus x2 equals to 0. The factor x1 minus x2 into x square, x1 square, x1 x2 x2 square plus x1 minus x2 equals to 0. So x1 minus x2 is common, that is x1 square, x1 x2 x2 square plus 1. Either this equals 0 or this equals 0, but this is not equals 0, therefore x1 minus x2 equals to 0, therefore x1 equals to x2. So the function is 1 1. For onto, how we can prove the function is onto? Let fx equals to y. Fx is x cube plus x equals to y. X cube plus x minus y equals to 0. Now you check the polynomial is cubic. It is a cubic equation. In the cubic equation having at least one real root. Having at least one real root, that is one real value of x, because x is cubic. Highest power of the variable is 3, cubic. Cubic function having at least one real root is having one real root which is belongs to R. Therefore, the function is onto. The function is 1 1 as well as onto. Therefore, the function is bijective. If a function is 1 1 as well as onto, then the function is known as bijective function. And again I repeat one more statement, all the bijective functions are inversible. All the bijective, if a function is 1 1 as well as onto, therefore the function is bijective, and all the bijective functions are inversible. Now we start with the second question. Question number 2. Again, show that a function f from n to n defined by fn equals to n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd and n by 2 when n is even. It is given. Show that the function is many one. Show that the function is many one onto. For this part, first you draw the table. Here write the value of n, and this is fn. When we put n, what are the natural number? Natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 onwards. N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 onwards. When we put n equals to 1, which is odd, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1. When we put n equals to 2, 2 is any one, 2 upon 2, 1. N equals to 3, 3 plus 1 by 2, 2. N equals to 4, 4 by 2, 2. N equals to 5, 5 plus 1 by 2, 3. N equals to 6, 6 by 2, 3. So, in this function, now you check, this is n to n, this is the function, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes, according to this, the 1 is mapped with 1, 2 is mapped with 1, 3 is mapped with 2, 4 is mapped with 2, 5 is mapped with 3, 6 is mapped with 3. Therefore, the function is, therefore, because f1 equals to 1 and f2 equals to 1, therefore, the function is minimum. एक से ज्यादा एलिमेंट की सिंगल इमेज आ रही है, therefore the function is minimum. Second, on to बच्चे इसकी कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करो, ये कहने के से रिलेटेड होगा, सारे के सारे एलिमेंट इससे रिलेटेड होंगे. Therefore 1 related है, 2 है, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 सारे के सारे रिलेटेड. Therefore the function is on to. बच्चे on to का मतलब है कि सेकंड सेट कोडोमेन के सारे एलिमेंट डोमेन से मैप्ड होते हैं. The function is known as on to function. So therefore the function is minimum as well as on. Is it clear? Now we start with the question number 3 again. The question number 3, prove that the function f from R to R, real number to real number, defined by fx equals to 2x minus 3 is inversible. Inversible means the function is bijective. If the function is bijective, then the function is inversible. How we can prove the function is inversible? For 1, let fx1 equals to fx2, then 2x1 minus 3, 2x2 minus 3, 2x1 equals to 2x2, then x1 equals to x2. Therefore the function is 1, 1. The function is 1, 1. For onto, how we can prove the function is onto? Let fx equals to y. What is the value of fx? 2x minus 3 equals to y. 2x equals to y plus 3. X equals to y plus 3 by 2. बच्चे y की वैल्यू कोडोमेन से कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करो. y की वैल्यू कोडोमेन से कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करना. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू पुट y equals to 1, 1 plus 3, 4 by 2, 2 is in this part. Y equals to 2, 2 plus 3, 5 by 2 is also real. All the elements are also belongs to R. Therefore the function is onto. बच्चे फिर याद करा रहा हूं इस पार्ट के लिए, y की वैल्यू कोडोमेन से पुट करो, कोई भी वैल्यू वो सारी की सारी जो x की वैल्यू आएगी वो डोमेन से बिलोंग करेगी। अगर डोमेन से बिलोंग करती है देन द फंक्शन इज ऑन टू, अदरवाइज द फंक्शन इज नॉट ऑन टू। द फंक्शन इज 1 1 as well as on to, therefore the function is bijective and we know that all the bijective functions are inversible, therefore the function is inversible. So how we can find our inverse? We know that f x equals to y, then what about f inverse y equals to x, x की वैल्यू क्या है बच्चे ये ली, so f inverse y equals to y plus 3 upon 2. So what about f inverse x? Y is replaced by x, x plus 3 upon 2. This is the inverse of this function. This is the inverse of this function. Yes, is it clear? Now we start a question number again 4th. Question number 4th. 4th and 5th both are same thing, same questions. Question for 4th and 5th. So we start the 5th. 5th. F is a function from r positive to minus 9 to infinity. Minus 9 to infinity. And the function is defined by fx equals to 5x square plus 6x minus 9 is prove that the function is inversible and then also find its inverse. And if a function is inversible, so we know that a function is inversible, the function is bijective. For the bijective, the function is 1 1 as well as on 2. So let for 1 1 let fx1 equals to fx2, 5x1 square 6x1 minus 9, 5x2 square 6x2 minus 9, 9 cancel with 9, 5x1 square minus 5x2 square, 6x1 minus 6x2 equals to 0, 5 x1 square minus x2 square 6, x1 minus x2 equals to 0, x1 minus x2 is common, 5 times of x1 plus x2 plus 6, either this equals 0 or this equals 0, therefore x1 minus x2 equals to 0 or x1 equals to x2, therefore the function is 1. Therefore the function is 1 1. For on to put fx equals to y, fx 5x square plus 6x minus 9 equals to y, 5x square plus 6x minus 9 minus y equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. How we can solve this quadratic equation? First to find out discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, 6 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 9 plus y. (36) minus minus plus 180 minus 20y equals to 0. 216 minus 20y equals to 0. Not equals to 0. This is the discriminant. D. You find a D. Yes. Now check this part. D. So what is the solution? x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. So that is equals to minus 6 plus minus, what is d? Root 216 minus 20y upon 2a is 5. Solid, first you solid this part, that is minus 6 plus minus 2 yes. First we prove that the function is 1 1. For onto put fx equals to y. Put fx equals to y. This is the part x, and according to this value is always belongs to the set, first set, that is function. This value is always positive quantity, because negative is rejected, we solve it, then it is a positive quantity. Function from value of y is lie between minus 9 to infinity. So therefore this one is positive, neglect the negative sign. This is belongs to r positive. Therefore the function is onto. Therefore the function is onto. If the function is 1 1 as well as onto, the function is bijective. बच्चे इसको न्यूमेरिकली सोल्व करूंगा, सिंप्लीफाई करना, then you get the value of x, and the function is onto. If a function is 1 1 as well as onto, therefore the function is bijective, and all the bijective functions are inversible. Therefore f is inversible. And how we can find it inverse? Fx equals to y, x equals to f inverse y. So f inverse y equals to minus 6 plus minus 2 root 54 minus 5y upon 10. So what about f inverse x? That is minus 3 plus minus 54 minus 5x upon 5. Because this term is always positive, only put the sign is positive, neglect the negative sign. Because the function is inversible of the r positive, this term is greater than this, solve it, then you get answer. This is the inverse. This is the inverse of the function.